Hey, have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, am I really me? Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me, this is about to get real interesting. Welcome back to Blow Your Minds, the channel that makes you question everything you thought you knew. Today, we're delving into the strange case of changing identity. Let's start with a mind-boggling question. If I replace a single part of your favorite bicycle, would it still be the same bicycle? Sure, you'd say. But what if I replace every single part, one by one, over time? At what point does it stop being the original bicycle? This thought experiment, known as the ship of Theseus, is actually about you and me, not bicycles. Intrigued? Stick around and let's dive deeper. Every single day, our bodies are continuously changing. Cells are born, cells die. In fact, almost every cell in your body gets replaced over a span of about 7 to 10 years. That's like every part of the bicycle being replaced. So, are we still the same person we were 10 years ago? You might think, of course, I am. I have the same memories. But here's where things get weirder. You remember eating that ice cream last summer, but memories aren't infallible. They change and warp over time. Every time you remember something, you're not remembering the actual event, but the last time you remembered it. Like a game of telephone, the message can get pretty distorted over time. You might be squirming right now, thinking, okay, if I'm not my body or my memories, what am I? Great question. Many philosophers think the answer lies in something called psychological continuity, the ongoing pattern of your thoughts, your personality traits, your likes and dislikes. That's the constant thread weaving through the ever-changing tapestry of your life. But, wait a minute. Don't our tastes change over time? Maybe you loved cartoons as a kid but now, you're all about action movies. Or maybe you've switched from being a cat person to a dog person, or vice versa. If our preferences can change, is our identity still the same? What about major changes in our lives? A traumatic event or a profound experience can change us in deep and meaningful ways. Someone who's gone through such a transformation might say, I'm not the person I used to be. And they might be right. Are they a new person now? Or are they a version 2.0 of their former self? At this point, you might be questioning everything you thought you knew about yourself. But don't worry, you're not alone. This mystery has baffled thinkers for centuries. Some have argued that we're a string of momentary selves, with each moment birthing a new you. Others believe in a core self, something essential that remains constant despite the whirlwind of changes. But the truth is, no one knows for sure. So, are you really you? The answer's as unique and complex as you are. And perhaps, the question is more important than the answer. The journey of self-discovery, the constant questioning and learning, isn't that what makes us truly human? Remember, identity isn't static. It's an ever-evolving narrative. Every moment is a chance to rewrite your story, to redefine who you are. So, keep asking, keep exploring, and keep blowing your mind. Stay curious, friends, and join us next time as we uncover more mysteries of the universe. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss